Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to zero iron sights on AR-only ways. Start by confirming safety, then mount the rifle in a stable rest, and choose a known distance target at 25 yards for initial zero. Fire a 3-shot group, note impact relative to the bullseye, and use your front sight post for elevation and the rear sight for windage adjustments until the group centers on the target. Begin with the rear sight centered and the front post tuned to its mid-height. From a stable position, fire a 3-shot group at 25 yards and observe the average impact location. Move the front sight to raise or lower elevation and the rear sight for left or right windage, making small, measured clicks until your point of aim matches point of impact consistently across groups. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us make more useful content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping, so it handles range matte debris while you focus on zeroing sights. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After initial zero at 25 yards, take the rifle to 50 or 100 yards to confirm real-world performance and make fine adjustments. Fire multiple 3-shot groups at each distance, note vertical and horizontal trends, then correct accordingly with small clicks. Repeat until groups consistently align with the aim point, and write down sight settings along with range and wind conditions so you can quickly restore your zero later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.